All right, so today we are walking the dogs and the grandbaby is swimming in the pond. I don't know if you can see that, but I ran some reflections, thought about intention, I thought about integrity, I thought about all these other I words, and I decided to go with idea. Because it's the ideas that entrepreneurs have that tend to overwhelm them, stress them out, and cause problems in the business. So raise your hand if you've had more than enough ideas to last a lifetime and you've tried a bunch of them and it doesn't work. So here's why. All of your ideas are given to you. They're great ideas, but the timing on those ideas may not be right. So you might have an idea to do something, but if you don't have the infrastructure, another I, in place for you to be able to execute that idea consistently so that you can build buyer confidence that they can always expect something from you, don't put that idea in your business. So one of the ways to do that is strategic planning. What you do is you write down all the ideas. They're great ideas. All of them are great. Timing may not be aligned, but the ideas are fine. So write them all down. And then you can do a little research behind them. You can see if there's any resources or any changes that you would need to make to put these ideas in place in a way that would be consistent, executable. And I would say that every idea that enters the marketplace in your business needs to stay there for 90 days. Sing along, I'm a 90-day girl. Every idea, 90 days. That means that you consistently put it out there. You consistently, have it available. And you consistently do the things for 90 days. Whether it's a new product in your product line, a new service, a new way of delivering products and services. If you need help with that, reach out, let me know. I will be doing a boot camp again for either a reset or if it's just your first time doing business, you need business foundations. It'll be July 17th and 18th. So if you have a ton of ideas, if you have a book of ideas and you need to put them into play, let me know if you need some support with that. Otherwise, 90 days. Give those ideas time to catch on in the marketplace. Remember, early adopters, 2 to 5% of your market. You need to leave it out there. You need to have consumer expectations. Even businesses doing business with you need to be able to rely on you to deliver. And 90 days is the minimum for a good idea to take hold. Take care.